Good day, grade 4s. I hope you can see. Today we are going to do the following. So we did different views of objects last. Today, next up, we're going to do the following. We're going to do the properties of 2D shapes. Now, we're going to work with our different shapes again. So how this works is, just bear with me while I get a piece of chalk. Okay, so let's say, we're going to work with our different shapes. So for instance, first of all, we've got our triangle. Okay, a triangle, we've got 3 sides. That's why it's called a triangle. Okay, tri means 3. Okay. Then we've got our square. And okay, I've drawn a rectangle and a square. Now a rectangle has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. Now the only difference between a rectangle and a square is that a rectangle has 2 sides that are the same. So this side and this side is the same. This side and this side is the same. A square has 4 equal sides. So that's the most basic of our shapes. Then we've got our circle. Now the circle, if you guys can see it, has no sharp points and it's usually drawn in one line. Okay, so this is how a circle looks. Then we have the next one, we've got our pentagon. Okay, a pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, penta means 5. Okay, then we've got our hexagon. I hope you guys can still see. Now a hexagon has 6 sides. Hexa means 6. Okay, so we start with our triangle, then we've got our square, then we've got our rectangle, then we've got our circle, this is circle, and then we've got our pentagon and hexagon. Now a hexagon has a hexagon. Hexa means 6, so hexagon has 6 sides, as you guys can see. Now, okay, so now when we refer to objects or shapes that have multiple sides, we call them polygons. For instance, this is a polygon. Poly means multiple. So a polygon is any object with multiple sides. Now this is a regular polygon. Okay. Then we've got an irregular polygon. An irregular polygon also refers to an object that has multiple sides, but the shape is irregular. Okay, so hopefully that is understandable. So now when we look at the properties of shapes, we basically, let me quickly use an example here. So basically, let's say we have this object here. Right. Now this object has 4 straight sides. Okay, there's your first straight side, there's your second straight side, third and fourth. Okay, this is an irregular polygon. Okay, because this shape is irregular. Irregular means not normal. Okay, it means the shape is different, basically. So the shape here is different, so therefore it's an irregular polygon. Then, our shapes are divided into different groups. We've got 3 main groups. So first group is curved sides only. Now, curved sides only is like your circle, your ovals, and anything that has only curved sides. That's our first group. Our second group is curved sides and straight sides. Okay, namely, so they'll have curved sides and straight sides in it. For instance there, so you can see that we've got curved sides and straight sides now combined. And then our last group that we have is the following. Our last group is straight sides only. This is our last group, straight sides, meaning that these are objects like squares, hexagons, pentagons, and such forth. Okay, meaning that they only have straight sides. They don't have any other sides. So I want you guys to do activity 55 for me. At number 1, they'll ask you to say, is it a square, is it a triangle, such forth. Then number 2, they'll ask you the different groups, curved sides, straight sides, such forth. Number 3, they'll ask you, give the shapes of the letters that are not polygons. Polygons means shapes that have multiple sides, okay? And then number 4, you have to circle the correct answer. And number 5, how many sides do the shapes have? Then you count the sides that each shape has, okay? It's a very simple activity. It's very easy. If you guys do understand, I hope you guys do understand the work. If you do not understand, please contact me over WhatsApp. It will be the next activity in your book. And I will help you guys with the activity if you guys need help with it. But it's a very simple and straightforward activity. And please remember to send your work to me after you are done with it. Thank you very much, grade 4s. Enjoy your day.